Hey mom, this is the start of your leg workout. You've got this. We're gonna start by warming up. So what you're gonna do is just kind of roll out your ankle. You'll do this for a little bit. You'll roll out this ankle for a little bit. You're gonna just do some calf raises, just warm up those calf muscles. Another thing that Evlo used to teach was to do this, lean on your heels and lift up your toes. I forget what that's called, but that's another way you can just kind of warm up. You can just kind of stretch out your legs like this. Just kind of however you feel like you want to warm up your legs. You can also take it to the ground and you can just kind of slowly lift your legs up like this and just get a good stretch in. Because you'll be holding on to your weights, you can also roll out your wrists, and you can just kind of do some of those exercises for 3 to 5 minutes to warm up your body. First two exercises, we're going to be working our hamstrings and our quads. So the first exercise is going to be hamstring curls. Mom, I think you normally use 25 pounds, but if you wanted to challenge yourself with 35 pounds, you could do that as well. And you're gonna want to lay your hips on the stool. And you are going to lift until failure. 1, 2. Next, you're going to do matrix. You could also do the ball wall sit if you remember the ball wall sit. I'm sure you do. I do it over by the door. But this is my favorite exercise because I feel like it just really works my quads the best. So I'm gonna get this weight up on my chest and I'm just gonna do 6 reps because I have a heavy weight, but you can go until failure. You're gonna push up through the tops of your feet. You're gonna go down and kind of try to lean back as much as possible. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, I just did 6 because I was going heavier, but you probably would hold a 15, 20, 25 at your chest, and you can just go until failure. Okay, so you're gonna actually do that 4 times total. So you've already did it once, and now you'll do it 3 more times. Hamstring curl, matrix. Hamstring curl again, matrix. Hamstring curl again, matrix. A total of 4 times. Awesome, you just finished the first half of the workout. Now we're gonna move on to glutes and abs again. I put abs in both the arm day and the leg day. So maybe on this leg day for your ball crunches, you'll want to add a weight to challenge yourself. So you'll put that ball kind of right above your tailbone, lower back, and I lean all the way down, and I imagine that a string is pulling my chest up to the ceiling. Now, with our glutes, I'm gonna show you 2 different exercises that would be doing the same thing. The first option is what we did together last, and that's where you're gonna put your right hand to the bed, right foot on the glider, left foot planted to the ground, and left arm gets the weight, and you're working your left glute. So I'm gonna do 6 because I'm challenging myself. You might end up doing more. So I'm gonna go back, up. 1, trying to keep that right foot light on the glider. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you would just turn yourself around. Left arm to the bed, left foot to the glider, right foot planted on the ground, right arm gets the weight, and you'll do the same thing. And you'll do about 6 reps or more. And mom, I would recommend you trying a 25-pound, but if that's too heavy, you could do 20. The next option you have is step ups. So you could do one or the other, or you could alternate these. So with the step up, I got this wooden thing. I put it to where it's the shortest, and I put it maybe half a foot away from the door. If I'm gonna work my right glute, I'm gonna put my right foot up on the stool, right hand gets the weight, left hand on the floor, left hand on the wall. And I'm just gonna step up and be reaching my butt back. So I'm just gonna do 6. All 4 corners of my right foot are drilled down into the stool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you would just switch around the other way. Left foot to the stool, left hand to the weight, right hand to the wall. And you would do your step ups that way to get your other leg. And like I said, you can do a lower weight and more reps, or you can do a heavier weight and just try to do 6. So you're gonna do that 4 times as well. You'll alternate ball crunches and then your glute exercise, either gliders or step ups. Abs again, gliders or step up. Abs again, gliders or step ups. A total of 4 times. Now you're done and I'm out of breath. So you're just gonna kick on back, turn on your favorite song, and relax. Maybe windshield wiper your legs back and forth. Maybe you're gonna do some heel, whatever those are called, ankle circles, ankle rolls. Maybe you're gonna just kind of flex your legs up and down gently. Maybe you'll do child's pose. Maybe you'll just lay here about 4 or 5 minutes. Hope it was a great leg workout. Love you.